Okay, and we're back. Let's see. Of course, there was no narration at the beginning of this. Basically, what happened is I made the other two paintings, and I still had a lot of paint left. So I was like, well, what am I going to do with it? So I decided to do another dip stitch, but with two 12x12s instead. So, and actually, to be way honest with y'all, I like these a whole lot more than the other two. The only problem that I have is the same problem that I had on the other one, where all of the white kind of went to this side as opposed to that side. We could do a little bit of close-ups, lots of little cells. I love the kind of it very much kind of looks like a little bit record-ringy, which is what my goal was on the other one. Now the video, when I looked at it at the end, when I came back and I looked at it at the end, it looks like this one was kind of off the screen a little bit. So we'll focus on this one a little bit more and just kind of take you around, show you some things. Hello, painting. I really like these a lot, and part of me is kind of hoping that she doesn't, that she likes the other ones more, so I can keep these. But actually, I want to make these over with some blue instead of purple, because by now I'm really sick of purple. But we'll see how it goes, and do the things like, share, subscribe, check out the Patreon, win some free stuff, and I'll see you next time there's a painting emergency. Peace out.